lovely students, welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 8 of English, and the name of the chapter is tense, right? So let us begin with the chapter. Tense का मतलब होता है time, right? Time is very important for us. So टाइम के कुछ रूल्स भी होते हैं जो हमारे लिए ग्रामर में बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैंडेटरी होते हैं. Let us read the chapter and find out the importance of time. So, tense tells us when an action happens or happens. कि tense हमें बताता है कि action जो है वो कहाँ हो रहा है और कैसे हो रहा है. Right? There are three types of tenses. कि total 3 तरीके के tenses होते हैं. The first one is the present tense, past tense and the future tense. Right? 3 तरीके के tenses हैं ये. So now they are saying read these sentences given below. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक बॉक्स दिया हुआ है जिसमें sentences लिखे हुए हैं जो कि हमें पढ़ने हैं. Right? So first sentence is Shaurya goes to his school by bus. अब यही सेंटेंस दूसरे कॉलम में लिखा है Shaurya went to his school by the bus. Shaurya will go to his school by bus. Right? अब उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट आता है I buy a new car. Next, I bought a new car last week. I shall buy a new car next week. Clear? Next, lions roared in the jungle. Lions roared in the jungle. Lion will roar in the jungle. Right? Next, my uncle is in Bangalore. My uncle was in Bangalore. My uncle will be in Bangalore. Right? तो हमने देखा कि तीनों ही बॉक्सेस में सेम ही सेंटेंसेस हैं बट दे ऑल आर रिटन इन अ डिफरेंट वे. राइट? उन सभी के टेंसेस, वर्ब्स सब कुछ अलग है. राइट? सो इन सेंटेंसेस ए गिवन अंडर ए, कि ए कॉलम में जो सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं द वर्ब goes, by, roar and is denote the actions in the present time. ये जो verbs हैं जो कि है goes, by, roar और is, ये हमें denote कराती हैं कि हम actually बात कर रहे हैं present tense की. Right? These verbs are said to be in the present tense. कि इन्हीं verbs को इसीलिए हम present tense के अंदर count करते हैं. The verbs which describe the action done in the present are said to be in the present tense. तो verbs जो describe करती है उन action को जो कि present tense को denote करते हैं उसे हम present tense कहते हैं. Right? In the sentences given under B, अब बात हो रही है B कॉलम के नीचे दिए गए sentences की. The verbs went, bought, roared and was denote the action in the past. अब ये जो verbs हैं ये हमें denote कराते हैं कि जो actions हैं वो past में हुए हैं. Right? These verbs are said to be in the past tense. इसीलिए इन verbs को past tense कहा जाता है. Right? The verbs which describe the action done in the past are said to be in the past tense. कि वो verbs जो describe करती हैं action को जो कि past में हुआ है उसे हम past tense कहते हैं. Right? Moving ahead, we have the next description. In the sentences given under C, the verbs will go, shall buy, will roar and will be denote the action which will be done in future. Right? अब इस C कॉलम में जो हमें sentences दिए हुए थे जो कि है will go, shall buy, will roar और will be, वो denote करते हैं एक action को जो कि होगा future में. Right? These words are said to be in the future tense. इन verbs को इसीलिए हम future tense में count करते हैं. Right? the verbs which describe the action which will be done in the future are said to be in the future tense. अब कुछ ऐसे verbs जो describe करते हैं action को जो कि future में होने वाले हैं उन्हें हम future tense के नाम से जानते हैं, right? So now study the given below and table given below and compare three tenses. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक टेबल दी हुई है जिसमें तीनों के तीनों टेंसेस हैं और उनमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे हुए हैं. Let us read this and find the difference between three tenses. So first of all, there is present tense, past tense, and then future tense. So they fly kites. They flew kites. They will fly kites. Next, they sell cars. They sold cars. And they will sell cars. You play games. You played games. You will play games. Right? I find a red pen. I found a red pen. I shall find a red pen. I leave at 8. I left at 8. I shall leave at 8. They work hard. They worked hard. They will work hard. I speak the truth. I spoke the truth. I shall speak the truth. We eat chocolates. We ate chocolates. We shall eat chocolates. I break the record. I broke the record. I shall break the record. Students love books. Students loved books. And students will love books. Right? So, moving ahead, we have some more. So, study the following sentences. In these sentences, the verbs remain same in the present tense and the past tense. अब हमें यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं जिनमें verbs जो है वो बिल्कुल सेम रहती हैं present tense में भी and even in the past tense also. Right? So, present tense, past tense. They shut the door. They shut the door. I hit the bell. I hit the bell. They read books. They read books. They cut the cloth. They cut the cloth. I put the books on the table. I put the books on the table. Right? So as you can see कि इन sentences में जो verb forms हैं वो बिल्कुल same है क्योंकि ये verb forms चाहे कोई सा भी tense हो ये अपने आप को same ही रखती है कभी change नहीं करती है. Right? So keeping in mind, we form the future tense by using shall or will with a verb. कि हम लोग future tense कैसे बनाते हैं? By using shall और will with a verb ताकि हम उसके साथ shall और will को add कर सके. Right? We use shall with I and be. कि हम I का use कब shall का use कब करते हैं? I और be के साथ. Right? We use will with you, he, she, it and they. और हम will का use किसके साथ करते हैं? With he, she, it, you and they. Right? So that was all about the chapter tenses from my side. I hope you all got the concepts really well and you all learned something new. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.